sure this is a Valkyrie we met, lad.
How do you know?
Corporeal, but different. Looks like the bastard's finally done it.
We don't want to fight you. Move for loud. We freed your sisters. Why are you doing this?
Not messing about, is she?
No!
Father, are you okay?
Focus on the enemy, not me!
Yes, sir. One for loud.
That was close.
Why won't you say anything?
Poison! Don't touch it!
Please, stop! We can free you!
I think she's free enough, lad.
Every agony, every violation imaginable.
Atreus! You do not want this! Calm your mind! Control it! She was our friend. Atreus. Atreus. My lord.
Maybe. For the moment. You're of more use to me. Alive.
Atreus. Home.
Home? Really?
You will tell the truth when I return. Well, I must set things right.
We'll take him. Oh, Your Majesty. A pleasure to see you again.
Ragnarök. Do not let him out of your sight.
You heard him, Sunshine. Come on, get a move on.
What is it you want?
I refuse to remain bound to this realm. We travel to Vanaheim.
Well, guess it's just us then. One gateway to Vanaheim coming right up.
If you are still bound, how will we travel?